Scanifly offers multiple technical data export options that you'll find under Exports on the left menu. For CAD, we offer multiple DXF files that you can export once you've completed your design. With one click, you'll have a CAD file that's ready for plan sets and will include a 2D wireframe map here on the left with an orthomosaic image under your design. You're also going to see the 2D wireframe of that house, which includes all roof planes, fire setbacks, obstructions, and your modules. And you'll also see parallel projections per plane, which include each roof plane that you've designed in the software with information about the roof itself, including area, tilt, azimuth, number of modules, and more. You'll also see a list of the different segments that you can use for extra data. Additionally, you're going to have survey data, which includes the 3D model and images, like the drone images that were used for creating the 3D model, or just orthomosaic images. You can also export shade files, including horizon profile and shade data in CSV format. For your financing and utility approvals, you can export a shade report. As a reminder, Scanifly is approved by most regulators and lenders, so you can export your shade reports in PDF and submit them to them. You'll also find production data in CSV format, as well as project info also in CSV format. With these files readily available for your designers and your operations, you can really streamline the next stages of the solar project. This could be final design approvals, final operations, or even finance.